Alright, this time random driveway we got handle repair. Door doesn't open. Both handles are broken from the inside. This handle's still here. Something's broken inside. The other one, the handle's missing completely. Got a couple metal replacement handles. Shouldn't be that tough of a job, guys. Basic hand tools. You just pull on this panel, pops off. It's a screw right here. Pop the cover off. There's a screw right here. Screw right here. It's a T20 Torx bit. Huh, this one's literally broken off, y'all. That's gonna be a fairly easy fix. Alright, I got this little clip off of here, and I'm gonna bend this back. I'm gonna get a washer back there. Gotta stop that clip from moving so you can unscrew it. Stop it. Anything's a hammer to a mechanic, right? Get this washer back there. So I don't want this clip to come out of there again. It only was held on with this little piece here. So I'm gonna get this washer in here. Put it in from through here. Put it back where it went. New handle. Working handle. You slip the panel back over your handle. This top piece goes up here first. Put your door lock in there. Gonna have to replace one of these clips. It slides into the panel and then the panel pushes into the door. This side, the handles broke all the way off. Much easier than the side where the pivot point was pulled from the door though. All I gotta do is take this out and put the new handle on. And new handle is metal. Don't recommend putting a plastic one back. Extension works a lot better here. Make sure your handles turn the right way. Working handle. Alright guys, the handle's replaced. This will be the first time getting out of the truck without rolling the window down and reaching out. Very nice. Alright guys, passenger side. Very nice.